So Dan will be a keynote speaker on day 3 of our upcoming national conference in Dallas at the end of this month, March 25th through 27th. And so Dan, we thought we'd just get you on here and for a few minutes and get a little preview on what you're going to be talking about.
We talk about mobile technology, and it's usually defined as that device that brings together place and space, and they put them in your pocket. And but when you think about it that way, it really fails that definition to capture its real potential. And there's a new technology that's becoming enabled because of the mobile device that is really disrupting advertising. Some people call it geolocation, but really it's the combination of that device being a sensor and a collection of passive data that knows a ton about you. And you drop it into the cloud, and they have these things called context-aware intelligence engines. And they do predictive behavior analysis on and anticipate the needs of what it is you as a user might want to have at that moment. And I'm going to talk a lot about this context-aware system and really how it's changing advertising and how companies can leverage that to their benefit, because it really focuses in on truly driving hyper-local types of engagement with users.
How far down the road are we with this? Is this?
Well, you're actually seeing it today. You see it in products like in Google Now. You'll see it in predictive analytics and in types of weather applications that you're seeing. So you're seeing pieces of it, and some of the more advanced advertising platforms are starting to recognize the value, and that missing piece to the puzzle is really geolocation. And when you add that to the personalization data that they've collected about you, or they've formed a profile, you can actually get true attribution with this type of technology. And that's what the big thing, and this is why everybody's excited about it.
All right, well, we're looking forward to a very interesting conversation about this later this month in Dallas. Dan, thank you very much for joining us, and I know you're in one of the great cities of the world, so I'm going to let you go enjoy it, and enjoy the rest of the event you're at, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
All right, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All right, bye-bye.